Sometimes things happen when you want them to, and this is one of those moments. As you can see, the other day I received my drone, my Phantom 4 Pro, and this is the first one that I got. I ordered a refurbished one, so it's not brand new. And when I opened the package, I could see that the drone that I got, it's actually completely new. It have never been flown before. I got this at a much cheaper price than if I would get a new one. But the thing is that there's a lot of things missing. They said that this one should be totally complete. I ordered it on a store that's called NetOnNet. So the controller is in here. The battery is in here too. The charger is here, but not the electrical cable for the charger. No manuals, and only one set of propellers. They aren't even in the little bag where you should receive them in. The bag that you can use as a cloth to clean the lens. So I called them up, said that, well, it actually said on the package that all the accessories should be in here, and I wanted them to solve it in some way. It actually came just in this box in the mail, with the paperwork just like this on it. Because they had done this the wrong way, they said that they were willing to send me another one instead of this one if I sent this one back. So I'm sending this one back. And in the mail today, this new box came, and it seems a lot more better packaged, and it's straight from DJI, haven't been opened, so it's actually a brand new. So let's open this one. See if you can get this one open like this. Okay. It's much better packaged. So let's get this one out of here. Here it is. So I actually bought this one for a very low price, and just because they didn't put everything in, they offered to send me a brand new one. It took one more day, but I think that's worth it. First time I will open it. Actually, I will just take everything out of here to see that everything's in here. So we got the controller. Looking good. We got the drone itself with the battery already put in. They should be shipped like that, not with the battery in the battery compartment. And it has the gimbal clamp up here as well for storage, and the other clamp down here. I'm excited. I'm very excited. This will be awesome. Let's see, they have the memory card that comes with it. And it's not just any memory card, it's a SanDisk Extreme 16 GB. So it's a good card. Let's put it in there. Move this to the side. Here is the OTG cable and the USB cable to connect it. Okay, so here is the bag, which you can use as a cloth to clean the drone or clean the lens if you want to. And in here we got 2 sets of propellers. So that's really nice. And down here we got the battery charger, and here is the missing cable also from the other one. The other one didn't have this one, so I could probably find one of these laying around in my home, but well, and also the manuals and the documentation. So we can start by unwrapping this plastic, because I don't think I want this on when I charge this battery. I think I need my knife again. I have to unwrap this one too. Now let's see, we have to charge this one, so we will put in the charger in there, and we will put in the battery in there, and we'll have to rearrange this a little bit. I think we will take this one out as well. It's really nice packaged, everything, so I'm really happy about this. Okay, the controller is charging, that's good, and the battery is also charging, so and we just have to wait until tomorrow and we will be going flying.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.